If you want a Windows laptop that can do it all, you usually have to pay big bucks. However, for $580, $620 for the Core i7 configuration, Acer's Aspire E15 E5-575G-57D4 delivers solid features, like a colorful HD 1080p display, Core i5 power and a 256GB solid-state drive. Factor in its nearly 11-hour battery life, DVD drive and variety of ports, and this laptop is more than good enough for your work and play needs. The Aspire E15's shell is made of plastic, while its semi-glossy obsidian backlit features a light cross-hatched pattern. The deck is sturdy metal, and the bottom has a textured base with rubber grips. Though the notebook is a bit bulky, it feels durable and solid. There was no creaking when I tested this laptop, and the lid opened smoothly. No port is left behind on the Aspire E15. On the left side of the laptop, you'll find two USB 3.0 connectors, one with power-off charging, a single USB Type-C 3.1 port that accommodates up to 5 Gbps, an Ethernet port, HDMI with HDCP, and a VGA out port. A 3.5mm headphone jack, DVD drive and USB 2.0 port sit snugly on its right, while the front lip contains an SD card reader. With so many ports loaded into this device, you'll feel better about its thick stature. Acer's Aspire E15 has a 15.6-inch screen that outputs impressive color and a sharp 1080p resolution. According to our colorimeter, this notebook reproduced 158.5% of the sRGB color gamut, which is well above the 93.76% category average. It also outperformed the Dell Inspiron 15 5000, 72%. The Acer Aspire E15 has a satisfactory sound system. Dual stereo True Harmony speakers utilize foam and a paper cone design for accurate sound reproduction. Although the speakers are located at the base of the laptop, the E15's audio reproduction was loud enough to fill a small to medium-sized room while producing hardly any distortion. By far, the Aspire E15 has the best battery life for the price. In our laptop mag battery test, which simulates continuous web browsing, the Aspire E15 lasted 10 hours and 59 minutes. That time is 2 hours and 43 minutes longer than the runtime from the sub $350 Acer Aspire E15 E5-575-33BM. The Dell Inspiron 15 5000 lasted less than half as long, at 4 hours and 25 minutes, while the category average is 6 hours and 55 minutes. The keyboard on the Aspire E15 offers a decent typing experience. There was minimal flex and shallowness. Personally, I prefer keys that have more depth and vertical travel because I have long nails, and distances above 1.5 mm help me mitigate typing errors. On the Key Hero typing test, my average typing speed of 58 words per minute dropped nearly 25%. However, the E15's keyboard would probably be fine for people with shorter nails. The backlighting on the keyboard is also a nice touch. The Aspire E15's Core i5-7200U processor, 8GB of RAM and 256GB SSD provided adequate performance for moderate multitasking. With 10 tabs open in Google Chrome, including streams from YouTube, Pandora and Netflix, I didn't experience lag or buffering, and I was able to switch among tabs seamlessly. The Acer Aspire E15 stayed nice and cool in our tests. When we played a full-screen video for 15 minutes, the touchpad measured 81 degrees Fahrenheit, the keyboard was 88 degrees and the bottom registered 94 degrees. All of those temperatures are below our 95-degree comfort threshold. Most laptop webcams don't impress, and the Aspire E15's shooter is no exception. Its 720p camera takes grainy and off-color photos. I had trouble making out my features in a selfie I took, and colors were very undersaturated, giving my skin a grayish tint. My strawberry blonde hair also appeared on the greener side, rather than orange. The Acer Aspire E15 E5-575G-57D4 is available with a Core i5-7200U processor, 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD for $580. If you're not pleased with some of those specs, you can upgrade portions with more advanced hardware. On the bottom, there's an easy-to-remove upgrade panel to switch out the RAM and storage drive. Acer's Aspire E15 runs Windows 10 and is preloaded with branded software, such as Acer Care Center and Acer Quick Access. Aside from Windows and Acer-specific programs, the Aspire comes with pre-installed apps such as Sling TV, Candy Crush Soda Saga and Twitter. The Acer Aspire E15 E5-575G-57D4 is a great laptop for everyday use, providing decent performance, excellent battery life and all the ports you need. For $580, the Aspire E15 is a great value, and its upgradable components let you increase the storage or RAM,